So my name is Monique and this is Maya. She is 11 years old. This is actually her second time coming. She came a couple years ago. This time she's been here for 3 weeks and she starts middle school next week, and we wanted to give her a good foundation and a healthy start for her upcoming middle school years.
I really liked the cooking classes and the yoga and the Zumba. I really liked all of those, and the painting and the evening activities. Those are all really fun.
I definitely see more confidence right away, and she looks a lot more healthier, slimmer, and her clothes are hanging off. The last time she attended this camp, we ran a 5K together. I run regularly and she's always mentioning that she wants to come with me, so we're registered for another 5K in a few weeks, and hopefully she continues to run. And then I'm going to take her hiking with me. So I heard she was doing some hiking, and we did a couple hikes before she came, and now I'm going to keep on pushing her to come out on hikes with me.